Hello and welcome to Season 1, Episode 2 of
Let's open it up and see what we get. Crack the pack and hope for the best.
Since we started the first episode with the first chapter, it's only logical to continue with Rise of the Floodborn. So let's open it up and see what we get. We got Raya, Enchantress, Parsicle, Painting the Roses Red, Merlin, Benja, Pinocchio, Nana, You Can Fly. Spoiler alert, we got a legendary there, but first things first. Lumiere is our first rare, and the legendary is Snow White. And the foil Queen of Hearts. Last but not least, we got the bottom left part of the Mickey Mouse picture. With only one duplicate among the cards, we added 11 new cards to our collection, going up to 44 cards out of the 216, which equals around 20%. So only 80% left. If you don't want to miss it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and see you in the next one.